This is my 360-degree PTZ camera. I installed this a while back. You can see it has a solar panel that supplies all the power to the camera. So the reason I installed this, a lot of times my boys go in the backyard, we don't know where they are. They're either playing on the trampoline or in the sandbox. This allows me to see both. It was really easy to install. I just did some screws onto the deck. You put in an SD card or a TF card, I guess. Insert that. So you mount the camera itself. It comes with this little bracket or base. And then I decided to install the solar panel right on top of it so that I could kind of use it to protect it a little bit from the elements and to get some good sun when it is the high afternoon. And it has been working really well. So it comes in this box. It comes with the solar panel that has a micro USB cord to it. It comes with all the mounting hardware that you need, the cords, the cable. So it comes in a complete kit. Everything you need to install is really easy and straightforward to install. It comes with a manual that shows you what to do. And of course, this is 360 degrees, so you can get any angle you want. So you can put it up kind of high and you can get really nice footage of anything that you need. So it does use the CloudEdge app. You can either use that QR code or just search for it in one of the app stores that you use. So you can see I've had this installed long enough. I've been able to test this in all of the elements. I've had it in a few snowstorms, rain. I already had the CloudEdge app installed on my phone because I have other cameras that use that app. It's nice that there are a lot of different cameras that use that app. Overall, I think the app is good. I don't think it's fantastic, but what I like about the app is you can set it up so if it detects some movement or if it detects a person, it can notify you for that. So this way, when my boys go into the backyard, I can get a notification, oh, hey, there's some movement. I know that something's going on. And then I can just open up the app. I can view the live feed. I can use the joystick controls on the app to move the camera around and point it to where I want it to go. And because it has a TF card in it, if I want to look back on different calendar days and see what kind of movement I had in the past, I can do that. So I have the history of all the different events. Overall, the app and the camera work exactly how I had hoped and what I want. So it is nice. I can move the camera around and see different areas. I also have some deer that come in my backyard a lot. So when that happens, I can use this camera to look at the deer. That's pretty cool. I did receive this camera for free in order to do this review, and I've actually reviewed a lot of security cameras. This is one of the better cameras I've used. It's just really easy and simple to install, and it works well. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.